come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away.
So Jeff, looks like you caught a fish.
Familiar with the term fuck off and die?
So what are you saying? You'll catch it, but you will not clean it.
I will not clean it. This is your fish.
So Jeff does not like cleaning fish.
Nope.
What'd you get there, Jeff? Are we gonna say it's another tuna? Oh, I see it. Yep, another tuna. Woo! Okay, bleed him out a little bit. Yeah, hold on. He's not. Oh, wait a minute. You don't have a good gaff. You don't have a good gaff. Oh. Damn, Dan, you got another one. Bring him up, Dan. Bring him up. Hold on. So Dan, what'd you just catch?
Oh, no tuna.
Let's see. Damn, dude. Well, Jamie, you got another one. Look at that. Hold on. Hold on. Don't, it's right there. Ready?
I got everybody working today. Jeff, Tim, Dan. We have 2 on the hook. Let's see whose is bigger. Dan's at it again.
We're gonna call Dan the tuna slayer.
And we'll call you the Grim Reaper with your staff. Keep talking smack there. Come on. Don't let him do it, man. Control your fish. Oh my God. Are we serious? Where's the El Dorado?
Holy shit. This is a big one.
That's what all the guys say.
Is that 3 today so far? 2 yesterday, 3 today? Yeah.
I don't know. I've lost track.
How many does that count for you now?
This is 4.
That's crazy, dude. That's a big ass tuna.
Fruit fish.
Good job.
But it tastes good.
Yep. All right.
There it goes. That was some bloody teamwork.
Look at that. 2 at one time.
Yep.
Holy moly.
Okay.
All right.
My day's done. Hey Dan, where are we?
We're in Mag Bay.
Great, that's cool. But I see here,
See some shenanigans?
what is this bucket of rope?
This is the backup anchor.
What?
Thought we were going to pull up to Mag Bay, offload the dinghy, and go to breakfast at a restaurant. But no, the cruising gods have said nay.
Don't.
The anchor shall not work today.
Oh, and look at that great attitude. Well, It's a mystery. Will we make it ashore today?
That's what they say about cruising, right? Cruising is working on your boat in exotic places.
And that's what's happening now. I wish I would have gotten Calypso earlier. But it's okay, people. The backup anchor is working beautifully. It's a good thing we have engineer Jeff here to crawl into all the small spaces and hopefully fix the windlass. So we have our primary anchor. Captain?
It's always something on a boat. Always something.
Captain is currently managing the situation.
That's what captains do. We manage.
They're managing our little shit show.
And I'm managing your expectations.
I already said that it'll be a mystery if we get off today.
All right, Captain Jim, what did we decide with the anchor windlass situation down in Mac Bay?
So we decided that you're not allowed to go home.
Okay.
And that you from now on are going to be the anchor boy.
Anchor boy.
So from now on, you get to rip that anchor up from the bottom because you're the anchor boy. I mean, anchor boy, not just anyone can be an anchor boy. But we have decided you, Dan, will be the perfect anchor boy.
So I've gone from tuna slayer to anchor boy
Yes.
in a span of 24 hours.
Yes.
Got it.
And if when the toilets break, you'll be the shit cleaner of it.
No.
So you know what?
And it will
Guess what you get?
restore
The next panga I see, I'm just jumping over.
us. There'll be new ways. This is not the